Okay, a toast to Marina Yurievna. Thank you very much for a wonderful daughter. 27 years ago, we are very grateful for everything you endured to bring her into this world.
Hear, hear.
We are very grateful. Thank you very much for raising her. We know that the apple doesn't fall far from the tree. So thank you for her.
Yes.
To Marina
Cheers
Yurievna.
to Marina.
Hoorah!
Yummy. Yummy, very good. It is. It's too good.
We'll just show the birthday cake.
It's almost gone.
It's almost gone.
Okay, we got
But it
it.
still has Tanya on it.
The name is still on. And the beautiful flowers.
From Pumpkin.
The beautiful flowers.
Okay, say goodbye.